US and European share markets were again split overnight. It does seem like investors are playing a bit of a tug of war at the moment between those that believe that the most important concern is that global companies are returning to decent profits, and then those that believe that this is not sustainable due to the mixed economic data we have been seeing recently. Overnight, BP did announce that they have sold $7 billion worth of assets in order to fund their liabilities. This has seen European share markets move higher overnight, while US markets were lower. The Kiwi dollar remains strong against the US, and on Thursday morning it is trading at 71.50 against the US. US beef futures, as traded on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, have made gains overnight. Extreme weather forecasted through the Midwest of the US has really impacted on supplies, and this is concerning traders. Temperatures are expected to get up to 43 degrees today, and at these levels, up to 1% of herds have been lost over the past few weeks. Already, average steer weights have been lowered over the past week, with a drop of 3.6% over the past week alone. Current tight supply conditions in the US has positively impacted on US imported beef prices over the past week or two. While we aren't expecting too much out of local New Zealand prices in the near term, at least the current tight market conditions in the US should provide some positives for local farmers down the track. US retail pork prices continue to increase. The US Department of Agriculture recently announced that pork prices at the retail level have reached record highs both of the last 2 months. A combination of consumers trading down from beef to pork, as well as very tight supplies coming in from the Canadian market, have been cited as the major reasons for the price increases recently. 50% of New Zealand's pork production does come in from international markets, and so this has offered local producers the opportunity to get slightly better margins. However, the New Zealand dollar continues to remain very high against the US, and this also offers some pretty favourable conditions for importers. This will likely offset the higher global prices.